Hey y'all. So you guys saw my tinted eyebrows at a nail salon fail. And I said I would just buy something and tint it myself. I did a lot of research and it seems like this is the popular product to go with. The Mina eyebrow henna in dark brown. I bought the one that also comes with the nourishing oil and the brush. I forgot how much it costs, but I can put that in the comments if you guys want to know. I bought it off Amazon. If you guys want the link, let me know and I'll put it in my bio. So to start, I'm actually going to outline my brows with the Precisely My Brow by Benefit pencil. This is in the color, I think 4 or 4.5, 4. Color 4. And I'm just going to outline my brows. I'm not going to fill them in, and then I'm going to go in with the henna, and we'll go through that when I get to that step. How does the outline look, guys? I think it looks good. I think this one's thinner than this one, but cousins, not twins, right? Or is it sisters, not twins? It says do an allergy test 48 hours before use. Not doing that. This is what the sachet of the henna looks like. They say it lasts up to 6 weeks. We're going to test that out. This is all the other stuff it comes in. It came with 3 of these, of course, like it said. So it says 1 scoop of the henna powder to 25 to 30 drops of the water. So I'm going to do that if I even have that in here. And we're going to use this tiny little spoon they gave us to mix it. This is what it looks like. Little ASMR. Let's see. This is what it looks like, by the way, all mixed. Yeah, I'm a little scared with this brush, but it looks really thin. So I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna just go for it. Let's go for it. Excuse me if I'm not looking into the camera. I am looking into my mirror that is to the right of me. I'm so nervous. Let's just go for it. Let's just do it. I already messed up. Just filling in the lines, right? Till I get to the front. Okay, I got a Q-tip. Oh, that fixed it right up. No biggie, no biggie. Let's keep going. Okay, y'all, this is what I have on my brows so far, but I have a dilemma. This brush is too thick to do the front of my brows. So I think I'm gonna try to use a spoolie. This could be risky. Some people don't do the front of their brows, but that's like the place where I have the most issues. And I'm gonna try. Oh, it looks really good. That creates those like brush strokes that I want. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And it got really dark. I left it on for a little bit over 20 minutes. Let's see how this goes. Time to wipe it off. Oh my god, look at my brows. No one says what they wipe this stuff off with. And on the thing, it says use water. So I'm going to try to use water and some pads. Let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh. It already looks so good. Oh my god. Hold on. I had to make sure I was seeing what I was seeing, and I'm definitely seeing what I was seeing. Yeah, I went and like scrubbed this eyebrow. It looks so good, y'all. Let me do the other brow. I'll be right back. Y'all, this is so cute. I'm just filling out in the front. But this is the result. I haven't done anything yet. And this is what it's looking like. I think this is so cute. This is like perfect. This is like wake up and go. You don't have to fill in your brows because my brow hairs, like I said in the previous video, are so thin and they blend in with my skin, but they're definitely there. So apparently this lasts 6 weeks. But they said on your skin it lasts 7 days. So we'll see how it goes. But this is the results, you guys. Thanks.